Candlesticks can also add confirmation to breakouts from traditional chart patterns that are found within congestion zones. When a bullish or bearish candlestick pattern occurs within the vicinity of a traditional breakout, it adds validity to the direction of that breakout. An example is shown in the chart below, where the eventual breakout is to the downside. At first, the top line of the triangle is touched twice by spinning top candlesticks, which indicates indecision. Then, just prior to the downward breakout from the triangle, there appears a bearish harami candlestick pattern, followed by another down day to provide confirmation. Once the price action gaps down below the ascending triangle, it does so with a long-filled candlestick. Taken together, all of this information adds up to an overall bearish picture. An ascending triangle is traditionally recognized as a bullish chart pattern. But, in this case, the evolving bearish behavior was identified using candlestick pattern analysis. The OHLC bar chart below is based on the exact same data as the candlestick chart, but contains less useful information. As you can see, the ascending triangle is easily recognizable. However, without the use of candlestick analysis, it is more difficult to assess the potential direction of the breakout before it occurs.